how to grow your real estate business with WhatsApp marketing. That's what we're going to discuss in today's video. I'm Anthony. I'm the founder of Alpha Marketer. We are a boutique agency helping businesses to grow with the power of WhatsApp conversations. Today, I have 7 different use cases to grow your real estate business. I will go through them one by one with examples. So do stay till the end to make the most of this video. Let's start with use case number 1. How to get new qualified leads for your real estate business with WhatsApp. So typically in the real estate industry, it's a common practice that physical flyers, brochures are printed and they are distributed for people to see, and if they're interested, there's a phone number printed on this brochure so that people can actually call and do an inquiry. Now we can make this inquiry process even more seamless with WhatsApp. So what we can do is we can print a QR code in these physical brochures, flyers, or even newspaper advertisements. So when you print this QR code, and if people scan the QR code, it can directly open WhatsApp and people can start a conversation with your real estate business on WhatsApp. So when this happens, they instantly get more information regarding your property, and you also get a lead. You also get the phone number without them filling a form. How cool is that, right? So this is the power of WhatsApp. So this is the first use case. Now let's talk about the use case number 2. One of the most important step in the real estate property buying journey is to get the customer to book a site visit and get them to visit the property so that they can experience the property and then make a decision to purchase. So this typically happens on a website where they go fill a form and then they select the date and time. It's very cumbersome process. Or they actually call a sales agent and the sales agent sets up the site visit over the phone call. So we can make this process even more seamless with the WhatsApp Business API. So what we can do is we can set up a WhatsApp chatbot, WhatsApp AI bot, which can seamlessly collect the customer's intent as to what kind of property they want. Do they want a plot of land, a villa, an apartment, duplex, whatever it is? Within few taps, it can collect all the information, their budget, and it can even give them an option to select the date and time of the site visit. Everything is seamlessly executed within WhatsApp, right? This is something that every real estate business should implement to upgrade the customer experience to a different level. Now let's move on to use case number 3. When people book a site visit or property visit, there's a high chance that some of them might forget the event. They might forget to attend the site visit. So in that case, what we can do is we can send an automated reminder to every single customer who has booked the site visit. You can set up the duration either 24 hours before the site visit or maybe 1 hour before the site visit. The choice is yours. We can set up that automation. This can reduce the number of no-shows to a great extent and can save a ton of time for your sales representatives. That is use case number 3. Now let's move on to use case number 4. So when the customer is inquiring about the property, if they are showing interest, you can send the property sketch, all the visual elements about, let's say, the property video, a virtual tour video, or if you have a brochure, the PDF file of the brochure can be sent with all the visuals, all the benefits, features, everything listed, so that the customer can see that within WhatsApp itself. So with this automation, you can seamlessly send all the required information about the property to the customer. Let's move on to use case number 5. This is a very important step in terms of increasing your conversion rate. So we all know that for small businesses, how important Google review is. People today, before they are going to buy any product, they Google search, check for the reviews. If the review is positive, the chances of conversion is very, very high. So in your business, what you can do is as soon as the customer visits your property or they purchase the property, you can automatically send them a WhatsApp message asking them for a Google review. So this can seamlessly get you these Google reviews on autopilot, right? So this can be executed and within few months, you can see the number of reviews piling up on autopilot. That is use case number 5. So let's move on to use case number 6. With this, we are entering into the operational efficiency side of things. So with WhatsApp automation, how we can improve the efficiency of your sales process, that is what we're going to discuss now. Now we all know that in the real estate business, whenever a lead comes, right, you have to contact them as soon as possible. The sooner the better. Within 5 minutes, if you can call them and talk to them and start the sales process, that is great. The more you delay, let's assume you get a lead and there is no response for 4 hours, 5 hours, then the lead will get cold, right? And the conversion rates will drop drastically. So to fix that, what we can do is we can enable an automation on WhatsApp such that whenever a new lead inquiry comes, instantly the sales representative will get a WhatsApp notification on their phone number with all the information about the lead. So even if the sales representative is on the move, if they're not in office, if they are in some remote place also, they will get a WhatsApp notification, and from there they can just open the WhatsApp message, they get all the information, they can simply call, start the sales process. Imagine the power of this, how it can improve the conversion rate. This is a must have for every real estate business. Okay? So moving on to use case number 7, the last one. This is about sending all the important data, important report to the real estate owner or the managers in the business. So if you have a CRM system wherein you can keep track of how many leads that came in this week, how many site visits happened, how many meetings happened, how many sales happened, all these data you might be collecting on a weekly basis through your CRM system. So what we can do is we can do an integration with your CRM system and send a WhatsApp notification with all the details to the real estate property owner as well as the administrative staff, the managers, etc. on WhatsApp. That way you get understanding of what is happening in your business within WhatsApp itself. So these are the 7 automations that you can implement for your real estate business using WhatsApp. And if you need help in implementing these automation for your business, then we can help you out. There will be a link in the description of this video. You can simply click on the link and book an appointment with us. We can get on a call and see if we are a good fit, and if everything works out, then we can start the process of setting up these automations for your real estate business. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I will meet you in another video with more interesting use cases to grow your business with WhatsApp marketing. Thank you so much, and bye bye.